Hello everyone! Today we will complete an exercise of imagination about orthographic projection from 2-dimension to 3-dimension to help you develop spatial awareness of the transformation from a 2D plane to a 3D space, and complete the transition training. First of all, from the previous assignments, select one as the orthographic projection image and design 4 3D models based on it. Accuracy, precision, and adherence to projection relationships and overall harmony of the design is required. Each model should be 12 cm in length, width, and height. The material used is cardboard. Before completing this exercise, many of you might wonder what orthographic projection is. Next, let's take a look at the basic principles of orthographic projection. Orthographic projection is produced when some parallel rays or projection lines are perpendicularly projected onto a projection plane. The resulting projection image is 2D, while the object perpendicular to the projection plane can be either 2D or 3D. Next, we will take the basic elements of the 2D composition, points, lines, and planes as projection images, and explore their possibilities. When the projection image is a point, the most likely object projected onto the plane is a point of any height, or it is a line of any length perpendicular to this point. The second form is the projection line. When the projection image is a line that forms above could be several parallel lines, parallel to the projection line, or any connecting line between two perpendicular lines at each end, as shown here. The third form could be a quadrilateral perpendicular to the projection line. These are the 3 cases for line projection. The third is the projection surface. When the projection image is a block surface, above it could be a surface parallel to it at any height, or an inclined surface, or even multiple forms of surfaces, such as the curved surface in the third picture. In addition to surfaces, it could also be geometric solids, such as cubes and cuboids, or irregular hexahedra. Next, we will demonstrate spatial imagination regarding projections through the software. First, select a plane figure from the assignments. In the software, we will draw a 3D model diagram based on the projection image. This is the completed line drawing and the solid model diagram. Then use cardboard to make this diagram. These 3 steps constitute the entire process of the exercise. With the same projection image, we can generate different 3D forms, such as the ones shown here. Multiple 3D forms generated from one image can help enhance our 3D imagination and gradually develop spatial awareness and expression ability. Next, we will show the assignments of orthographic projection completed by our architecture students. They based their works on their plane composition assignments and then created 3D forms through the composition with either solids or planes. Next, open your imagination and walk into the 3D space.